Welcome to our tutorial on how to adjust column width in Excel. Adjusting column width can help you make your data more readable and visually appealing. Let's get started. Without wasting time, let's move into the first method. Open your workbook and navigate to the worksheet where you want to adjust the column width. Select the columns you want to adjust. In this example, we'll select columns B to D. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click Format. From the drop-down menu, select Column Width. Enter the desired width for the columns, such as 20, then click OK. Secondly, you can also use your mouse to adjust column width. Select the columns you want to adjust, such as columns F to H. Move your cursor to the boundary between two column headers until it changes to a double-headed arrow. Click and drag to adjust the column width. Thirdly, Excel also allows you to auto-fit the column width to match the content. Select the columns you want to auto-fit, such as columns J to L. Move your cursor to the boundary between two column headers until it changes to a double-headed arrow. Double-click to auto-fit the column width to the content. Finally, you can also use the right-click context menu to adjust column width. Select the columns you want to adjust, such as columns N to P. Right-click on the selected columns. From the context menu, select Column Width. Enter the desired width for the columns, such as 15, then click OK. To recap, adjusting column width in Excel can be done using the ribbon, the mouse, the auto-fit feature, and the right-click context menu. This helps make your data more readable and visually appealing. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.